Hey there, welcome to Ryan Tech IT Support. On this channel, we talk about tech stuff and tech gadgets. Please, if you're new here, subscribe, hit that like button, share if you can, and let us learn together. Today in this video, join me as I unbox my Lepro lead desk lamp with clamp. This is my new package. I've just received it from Walmart. It's a lead desk lamp with a clamp. So the clamp will be used to clip it on the desk so it give me some good light. So we'll be opening it together with me in this short video. So let's go. So as you can see, the salt tape. I have clamped it on my table. It's family. This is how it looks inside. So we'll be switching off the light, and then we see how my desk is. The desk how the lights are. Clamp. So let's see how it looks like. This is the clamp. So as you can see now, clamp it on the table. I have clamped it on my table. It's family. So this is how it looks. So we'll be switching off the light, and then we see how this clamp it gives. So they're giving you energy, how it saves energy. How the lights are. Let's see. This is about the company. So as you can see now, I have clamped it on my table. It's family. Okay, it's there. So this is how it looks. Around the US. So we'll be switching off the light, and China's one. And then we see how made in China it gives. So these are specifications. How the lights are. Let's see. On and off. So as you can see now, so this is how I have clamped it on my table. It's family. Lepro. So this is how it looks. So we'll be switching off the light, and then we see how it gives. Okay. Let's see how the lights are. How it is. Let's see. So as you can see now, I have clamped it on my table. Family. So this is how it looks. So we'll be switching off the light, and then we see how it gives. How the lights are. So this is let's see. This is the menu. So as you can see now, there's some notches here. You can. I have clamped it on my table. It's family. Increase. So this is how it looks. The light and stuff so we'll be switching off the light. Also putting it on. And then we see how it gives. How the lights are. Let's see. It's giving you information how to set it up. So as you can see now, and how it goes. I have clamped it on my table. It's family. So this is how it looks. So we'll be switching off the light, and then we see how so to hold it gives on the desk. How the lights are. So it's powered using the USB. So these two alloys. So as you can see now, I have clamped it on my table. It's family. You dim it or either so this is how it looks. Brightness. So we'll be switching off the light and stuff like that. And then we see how on and power off button it gives. And then there's M for the mods. How the lights are. 100K. Let's see for 200K and 500K. So as you can see now, so down I have clamped it on my table. It's family. So this is how it looks. Can be turned. So we'll be switching off the light, can see. And then we see how it's foldable. It gives. So how the lights are. It shows you. Let's see. Millimeter. So as you can see now, the design of the clamp. So how it is. I have clamped it on my table. It's family. So this is how it looks. So we'll be switching off the light. And then we see how so it has a USB. It gives. How the lights are. So let's see how it looks like. Let's see. So as you can see now, I have clamped it on my table firmly. So this is how it looks. So we'll be switching off the light, and then we see how it gives, how the lights come. Let's see. So as you can see now, this is the USB. I have clamped it on my table firmly. So this is how it looks. So we'll be switching off the light, up and down, and then we see how it gives, how the lights come. Let's see. So as you can see now, I have clamped it on my table firmly. So this is how it looks. So we'll be switching off the light, and then we see how we'll be doing it gives, show you how it is when how the lights are. Let's see. So as you can see now, I have clamped it on my table. It's firmly. So this is how it looks. We'll be switching off the light, and then we see how it gives, how the lights are. Let's see. So as you can see now, I have clamped it on my table. It's firmly. So this is how it looks. So we'll be switching off the light, and then we see how it gives, how the lights are. So now I've connected it. The USB is in power now through the laptop, my USB port. So let's see. You see, it's powered. This is the button. It shows it's powered. So let's see. I'll press the on button. Ooh la la, you can see. So it's on. Let's see the modes. See how it changes the coloring. See. Oh, you can see the coloring. So it keeps on changing the modes for the light. This 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that is my Lepro lead disc lamp with a clamp. See? Thank you for watching.